Hi viewers, welcome back to the Healthy Friends. What are the best positions for sleeping? Sleep is a big part of our lives even if we're not getting 8 hours. But there's more to it than you might think. Your sleeping position plays a big role in your sleep quality. Which means it might be time for you to switch it up. Different sleeping positions have different benefits. If you're experiencing pain or other health conditions, you might need to switch your position in order to help manage it. And while it might not be something you can do in one night, changing your default sleep position can definitely be worth trying out. Here are healthiest sleeping position. Number 1. Fetal position. The fetal position involves sleeping on your side with bent legs curled in toward your body. It's the most popular sleeping position, and for good reason. Not only is it great for lower back pain or pregnancy, but sleeping in the fetal position can also help reduce snoring. Number 2. Sleeping on your side. Sleeping is similar to sleeping in the fetal position, but your leg are pulled in toward your body. Like the fetal position, sleeping on your side is pretty good for you. In addition to reducing snoring, it's great for digestion and may even reduce heartburn. Number 3. Find the best sleeping position for you. So, how do you figure out which sleeping position is best for you? There's no one-size-fits-all approach, so you need to experiment with a few positions to find one that's both comfortable and leaves you feeling well-rested and pain-free when you wake up. Number 4. Flat on your back. Sleeping on your back offers the most health benefits. It protects your spine, and it can also help relieve hip and knee pain. Sleeping on your back uses gravity to keep your body in an even alignment over your spine. This can help reduce any unnecessary pressure on your back or joints. A pillow behind your knees may help support the natural curve of the back. Number 5. Lying on your stomach. If we had to rank sleeping positions, lying on your stomach might be at the bottom of the list. While it's a good position for snoring or sleep apnea trusted source, the benefits don't extend much further. Unfortunately, sleeping on your stomach can cause both neck and back pain. You can keep track of any patterns in your sleep habits and sleep quality, so you can get a better look at what's working versus what isn't. Remember, you don't have to change your sleeping position if you aren't having any issues. Do what feels best for you. The most important thing is to make sure you're waking up feeling rested and ready to go. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.